Hi students, most welcome to the English class, and in today's video we are going to study chapter number 1 of grammar book, the sentence. Students, we shall come to know first of all what is a sentence, then we shall try to understand how many kinds of sentences. As we already attended this chapter, so only it is a revision. So first of all students, let's see what is a sentence. So students, if we talk about a sentence, it is a group of words which makes complete sense. That means a group of words that make complete sense is called a sentence. मतलब कि जो शब्दों का एक समूह होता है जो एक सेंस क्लियर करता है, मीनिंग कंप्लीट करता है, हम उसे क्या कहते हैं? सेंटेंस कहते हैं. स्टूडेंट्स, लाइक इफ यू से लिटिल जैक Horner sat in a corner. Little Jack Horner sat in a corner. Here students, subject is also available, verb is also available, and the place is also available to show the meaning. That is saying कि Little Jack Horner नाम का एक person है जो corner में बैठा हुआ है. So students, if we talk about the kinds of a sentence, let's see first kinds. To understand what kind of kinds may be the first one, second one, third one, or fourth one. That means I want to say generally a sentence are of having of four kinds. If we talk about the first one, try to see. That example is given in front of you. Those which make statement or assertion, जो statement show करते हैं या किसी का assertion show करते हैं, that is called assertive sentence. For example, if we see Humpty Dumpty sat on a wall. Humpty Dumpty sat on a wall. If we talk about the second type of sentence, that those which ask question, that means ऐसे sentence जो question पूछते हैं आपसे, those are called interrogative sentences. Where do you live? Where do you live? If we talk about the sentence number 3, we can say those which express commands, request or entreaties. As we can say जो command, request और entreaty show करते हैं उन्हें हम कहते हैं imperative sentence. Like example, be quiet, have mercy upon us. So these kind of sentences are called imperative sentence. Now if we talk about the fourth one, we can see those which express strong feeling or emotions, those are called exclamatory sentences. Like how cold the night is, what a shame. So students, these kind of sentences are called exclamatory sentences. So first one that we have seen, those which make statements are called assertive sentences. Those which ask question, those are called interrogative. Third one, those express command or request, those are called imperative. And those which express strong feelings, those are called exclamatory sentences. So dear students, now we shall try to understand the second chapter of our grammar book, subject and predicate. Students, we shall try to understand what is a subject and what is a predicate. Students, generally a sentence is divided into two parts. If we talk about the first part of the sentence, that means the word or the thing about whom we are going to talk in a sentence. That means, friends, first part of the sentence shows that the name of the person or thing about whom we are going to talk. The name of the person or thing about whom or which we are going to talk. That is called a subject. And if we talk about the second part of the sentence, whatever we are talking about the subject, that is called predicate. मतलब कि जो कुछ चीज़ें हम सब्जेक्ट के बारे में बोलते हैं उसे कहा जाता है predicate. Suppose students, if we take the example, we will try to understand. Ramesh went to play cricket. Ramesh went to play cricket. मतलब रमेश क्रिकेट खेलने गया. Students, here in this sentence we are talking about Ramesh. मतलब हम इस सेंटेंस में रमेश के बारे में बातें कर रहे हैं. सो रमेश यहाँ पर सब्जेक्ट हो जाएगा. एंड वॉट एवर वी टॉक अबाउट द सब्जेक्ट, दैट इज कॉल्ड प्रेडिकेट. मतलब अब हम रमेश के बारे में क्या बात कर रहे हैं? हम वेंट टू प्ले क्रिकेट, मतलब क्रिकेट खेलने गया. सो वेंट टू प्ले क्रिकेट विल बी प्रेडिकेट. सो स्टूडेंट्स, रमेश विल बी सब्जेक्ट एंड वेंट टू प्ले क्रिकेट विल बी प्रेडिकेट. Now students, if we try to understand with the help of some more examples, we can say he has a good memory. He has a good memory. Students, in this sentence we are talking about he. मतलब उसकी याददाश्त बहुत अच्छी है या उसके पास अच्छी याददाश्त है, तो वी कैन से कि ही, अबाउट ही वी आर टॉकिंग इन अ सेंटेंस, सो ही विल बी अ सब्जेक्ट and has a good memory. We are talking that he has a good memory. Has a good memory will be predicate. So students, very easy to understand कि about whom we are talking in a sentence, that is called subject, and what we are talking about the subject, that is called predicate. So students, now for this topic, I would like to give you some examples for exercise. To divide sentences into two parts like subject and predicate, that is coming in front of you. You can see the first exercise, like the cackling of geese saved Rome. The cackling of geese saved Rome. The boy stood on the burning deck. Number 3, Tubal Cain was a man of might. Number 4, stone walls do not make a prison. Number 5, the singing of the birds delights us. Number 6, Miss Kitty was rude at the table one day. Number 7, he has a good memory. Number 8, bad habits grow unconsciously. Number 9, the earth revolves around the sun. And number 10, nature is the best physician. So students, I hope that you will be able to solve this sentences of exercise. Students, in next video we shall talk about the next topic of English grammar. See you. Bye.